Hello everyone. Today let us introduce the two main types of cell division, which is the mitosis and the meiosis. But before that, let us introduce ourselves first. I am Christine Juan-Moyas.
I am Antonio Torres.
I'm Galas Forbes.
I am Dexter Leonidas.
And we are the group 2.
Cells divided because living things need to grow, repair, damage, and reproduce. To make this happen, our cells follows two different processes. First, we have mitosis. Mitosis happens in our body cells. It creates two identical daughter cells that have the same number of chromosomes as the original cells. Mitosis is very important for us to making us grow taller, healing wounds like we get cuts, replacing old and dead cells in our body, so mitosis keeps our body healthy and functioning. Next, we have meiosis. Meiosis only happens in sex cells. Sperm cells for male and egg cells for females. It produces two daughter cells, and each cell has half of the number of the chromosomes. This is important because when sperm and egg join together, during fertilization, the correct number of chromosomes will be restored. Meiosis also creates genetic variation, which means it makes us all unique. We don't look exactly the same as our parents or siblings.
So we will talk about mitosis. So which is a type of cell division that helps our cells grow and repair damaged tissues. Mitosis happens in body cells and produces two identical daughter cells. This means that the new cells have the same number of chromosomes and the same genetic information as the original cell. Mitosis is very important for two main types. Number one is growth. When we grow taller, gain weight, or develop muscles, more cells are made for mitosis. Repair and healing. When we get a cut, new skin cells are formed and replace the damaged ones. Replacement of old cells. When we got cut, new skin cells are formed to replace the damaged ones. Mitosis have four main stages, which is the prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and phase. So to summarize it, mitosis makes new cells from growth, repair, and replacement, ensuring our body cells become
Goes. Meiosis is specialized for cell division, not essential for sexual reproduction. Meiosis is a type of cell division that reduces the number of chromosomes in a cell by half, producing four haploid cells, each genetically distinct from the parent cell. The purpose of meiosis is the primary purpose of meiosis is to produce gametes, especially the sperm and egg cells. Meiosis occurs in specialized cells within the reproductive organs within the ovaries and testes.
Good day everyone. I am Dexter Leonidas, and today we are going to present the instructional materials that we created with the topic meiosis and mitosis. So first, we use the idea of a bus, of a simple bus traveling into a very simple knot. So we call that bus a cell division bus. So in cell division bus, the starting point of that bus is in the interphase. In mitosis, this is a process by which a single cell divides to produce two identical daughter cells. So it will begin to the first process, which is the interphase. The interphase, this is the preparation stage before mitosis begins. So the cell grows, duplicates its DNA, and gets ready for the cell division. So after the interphase, the cell division bus will travel to its second destination, which is the prophase. So what is prophase? The prophase is the chromosomes becomes visible as they condense. The nuclear membrane starts to disappear, and at the same time, its fibers begins to form. So after the prophase, the cell division bus will travel to the next destination, which is the metaphase. In metaphase, the chromosomes line out in the middle, which is also what we call equator of the cell. So the spindle fibers are attached to its chromosomes, to each chromosomes. So after the metaphase, the cell division bus will go to its next destination, which is the anaphase. When it arrives to anaphase, the spindle fibers pull the sister chromatids apart to opposite side of the cell. So after the anaphase stage, the cell division bus will finally go to its fifth destination, which is the telophase. In the process of telophase, the new nuclei form around the separated chromosomes, and the cell begin to split. So after the cell division pass to the 5 process of mitosis, it will arrive to its final destination, which is the cytokinesis. The cytokinesis occurs when the cytoplasm divides, and at the same time, it is forming 2 identical daughter cells.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open.
And that is the process of cell division, which is the mitosis and the meiosis. Again, we are the group 2 from BSN